In a world overrun by video games, TV, and unhealthy eating, everyone is sad, except for one group of healthy teens. They don't know it. They are the only people playing outside and eating healthy for miles. It's up to them to set a good example for the couch potatoes of the land.
Come on, we gotta get Will.
That's weird. Why is the door open?
Yeah, hope snatch. I want to go to the court and cross him today.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go in.
Will!
Well,
Oh, there he is. Hey, yo, Will, man, come on. Will, buddy, come on. Usually respond when I talk trash to you. Come on, Will.
dude, you not see all the sugar fruity on the table. Sorry, had a super sugar crash. Always Braindead.
Oh, that's it. He must be Braindead. I bet he's been playing that video game all night. Elmer, hurry up and unplug it before it's too late. That'll do it.
Got it. Ah!
What the heck?
Will, snap out of it. I'm your friend. Calm down.
Bryce, I got this water bottle.
Dude, what's safe out?
I can't open it. It's frozen. Oh, great. You killed him.
Hey guys, I was planning on eating this apple after the...
Whoa! Shut up and put it in his mouth.
Whoa!
Okay.
He bit off.
Chew.
Whoa. What happened?
Will, you're awake.
Hey, guys. You want to go play some basketball and get whooped?
Sure.
Yeah, let's do that.
You ain't gonna whip me, son. Come on, let's get this one.
No, dude. Trust
No,
me.
I gotta
you played
save the
enough for
game.
today.
I gotta save it.